Let's go.
Freedom. Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.
Hey folks, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Bang. All right, if you want to know who's that girl, if you want to get into all her sneaky details, then stay tuned, okay? And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these cute units that I actually post. And if you've been here and you already know what we're about to go ahead and do, make sure you like and comment on this video and let me know, is she cute or no? Alright guys, come on, let's go ahead and get this. Now that I got her all the way together, let's get into Miss Thing's detail. Now this unit is from Bobbi Boss. She's actually Boss Lace First Class Hair Collection. Her name is MLF 379 Gardenia. And I got her in the color TT1B 2730. 1B 2730. You feel me? Alright, so let's get into her stock cards. Now she comes with baby hair. She has a deep lace part 5 inches. She has ear-to-ear lace. She's HD transparent. She has a seamless blending lace. She's heat safe up 100 degrees and comes with baby hairs. Now she is a standard wig. 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. I do not remember if she had an adjustable strap. I don't think so. Yes, she had an adjustable strap, but not an elastic band. Her parting space is literally just what you have in the middle here. And I know I said I wasn't going to do any more baby hairs for the rest of the year, but I just felt like the way this hair is looking, she needed baby hair. So I added a little swoop in the front right there. She is definitely big head friendly. Well, I might say medium head friendly. She is medium head friendly, whatever that means. She fit on my head perfectly fine. Her lace actually comes maybe an inch above my actual hairline that's on the side, my little sideburns here. So she, that's what I mean by not being big head friendly. Does she shed? She sheds a little bit. She is very shiny and she tangles a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, when I was brushing her out, I got a little bit of snags, but nothing too serious. Her stock card looks like so. That's the front, and this is the back. As you can see, she is really put together on the stock card, and I feel like she's a little bit kind of messy. I don't know if I need to put some mousse or something to get her like probably a little bit of mousse to get her like all the way together, but I feel like I'm probably gonna always need like a brush or something to just continue to make sure she's like in a uniform kind of look, if that makes sense. But other than that, her hair density, she's actually a real full wig. She's not heavy or anything. She is pretty. Now, where would I wear her to? Girl, she is definitely a happy wig. And when I say happy, I mean I'm going out partying with her. Oh yeah, I'm definitely going. I'm going out partying with her. I'm going out dancing with her. I'm gonna sweat the night away with her. You understand what I mean? Like by happy, I mean like she just seems like a wig that could just flip, 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 flip. Hey, hey. Sorry, but that's what she looks like to me. She is definitely a party wig. Something that I would go to the club with and just dance the night away. Oh man, she's cute. I might have to throw her out after I'm done because I know she'll be a hot mess after I get done with the club. But she is cute. Would I buy her again? She did come in a lot of different colors that were cute. I think she'll probably be my only one, honestly. I don't think I would get, oh, you know what? Maybe in a 1B I might be tempted. But yeah, she might just be my only wig. And that's only because she's not really versatile too much. Like the 5-inch parting spaces right here, if I was able to like flip her over, see what I'm saying? If I was able to flip her over to the side with no problem, she would be so cute. She would be a cute wig. But that's all I got. Lord Jesus, look, see what I'm saying? She's unruly. Yeah, she's definitely unruly and all over the place. And I would need to have a brush with her at all times. So I probably wouldn't purchase her again. But she is a cute wig. She seems like she might be a one-time wig. And I paid under $30 for her. So I'm not even mad at that. You know what I'm saying? But she's cute. She is cute. She's definitely cute. And, you know, if you have an event or a party or something like that that you need to go to and you want to show up and show out, she would be the one to go ahead and get, if that makes sense. Yes? Yes. Listen, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, you will get notified. All right, folks.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.